morning, everyone. My boys are full. They just finished eating breakfast. That's right. How did you like the food that your daddy buy for you? Your favorite duck and chicken. Yeah, he doesn't eat anything except duck and chicken, this boy is. Do you, Babab? Do you? Yeah, he's such a spoiled baby. His daddy bought him some serious dog food that is duck and chicken flavor, his favorite. That's right. That daddy love you so much, boy, huh? Huh?
That's right.
Yeah. Your daddy love you so much. You're a lucky baby. Are you a lucky baby? Yeah. Somebody's coming.
Mr. Jealousy.
Mr. Jealousy. Hello, Mr. Jealousy. Sit, Mr. Jealousy. There you go. This is a perfect shot. Wow. Hi, boys. So, what are we gonna do today since it's raining? It's raining today. It's been raining. Yesterday it's raining. Today it's raining. What can we do now? Last night was fun, huh? We managed to go for a walk. And it was nice. It was a little humid, but not too bad, right? I wish we could go for a walk and go shoot some videos, but I don't know what to do since it's raining. Hi, boy. What are we gonna do, boy? What are we gonna do today? Yeah, just relax, huh? We're just gonna relax. Are you hot, boy? You need to drink some water, or are you just smiling at mommy? Are you smiling at your mommy? Look at those teeth you got there, boy. Hi. Hi. Hi, boy. Happy. Happy. How you doing, Happy? You gonna be a good boy today? Do not destroy our house. You gonna be a good boy, huh? You're always been a good boy, are you? You're always been a good boy to mommy. That's right. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. What a beautiful eyes you got. And this baby boy is very cute. Right on. Yeah. Yeah. How about you? How about you? You guys need some serious bath. But since it's raining outside, we better just postpone that and do it tomorrow, huh? Or not tomorrow. I'm working tomorrow. Oh no, how are we gonna do this? Because I'm working 2 days in a row. That means you're gonna be stinky 2 days in a row. Maybe later on this evening, okay? When it stops raining, huh? But for now, we can just enjoy our beautiful day in the house, just hanging out with your mommy and just have some fun. Take a lot of rest. I'm talking to you, boy. Hey, what you looking at? What you looking at? Hi, ba 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 ba, ba 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 ba, ba 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 ba. My little 5 months old husky named Happy. Happy holiday. And this baby is 7 months old. His name is Lucky, Lucky, Lucky. Don't be so alarmed and worried. Mommy love this beep beep. That's right. The mommy love this little beep beep. Really? You're annoyed with mommy taking videos of you? Don't be boy. People like to watch you guys because you guys are super cute. Super cute. That's right. So smile. Smile, boys. Yeah, yeah, I'm smiling, mommy. What you talking about? I've been smiling for you. That's right. Alright, guys. This is Lucky. You're Lucky. Your name is Lucky. And this is Happy saying thank you all for watching. And until next time. Mwah.